Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which countries does the Danube River flow through? Is it A, France, Spain, Italy, B, Germany, Austria, Hungary, or C, Russia, Poland, Greece? It is B, Germany, Austria, Hungary. What type of system controls water temperature in pools and spas? Is it A, heating system, B, pumps only, or C, filtration system? It is A, heating system. What is the primary function of endorphins in the human body? Is it A, blood circulation, B, digestion, or C, pain relief? It is C, pain relief. What organ in the human body is primarily responsible for toxin excretion? Is it A, liver, B, kidney, or C, lungs? It is B, kidney. What is the primary characteristic that humpback whales are known for during their migrations? Is it A, long songs, B, striped skin, or C, large fins? It is A, long songs. What is Roblox primarily known for? Is it A, music streaming, B, social media, or C, gaming platform? It is C, gaming platform. What does the rate law express in a chemical reaction? Is it A, reaction rate dependence, B, temperature change, or C, catalyst presence? It is A, reaction rate dependence. What position does Macky Sall hold in Senegal? Is it A, president, B, prime minister, or C, minister of finance? It is A, president. Which animal represents the Lunar New Year in the Chinese zodiac for 2023? Is it A, rabbit, B, dragon, or C, tiger? It is A, rabbit. Who was Jawaharlal Nehru? Is it A, scientist, B, prime minister, or C, poet? It is B, prime minister. What style of dress is characterized by a long, flowing skirt and a fitted bodice? Is it A, tea dress, B, ball gown, or C, polonaise? It is C, polonaise. What was the primary purpose of the Magna Carta? Is it A, limit royal power, B, grant voting rights, or C, establish a currency? It is A, limit royal power. What famous Incan citadel is located in the mountains of Peru? Is it A, Machu Picchu, B, Chichen Itza, or C, Petra? It is A, Machu Picchu. Which artistic movement is Claude Monet famously associated with? Is it A, Impressionism, B, Surrealism, or C, Cubism? It is A, Impressionism. What is the chemical formula for water? Is it A, CO2, B, H2O, or C, NaCl? It is B, H2O. Which famous program is New York University, NYU, well known for in the field of performing arts? Is it A, Stern School of Business, B, College of Arts and Sciences, or C, Tisch School of the Arts? It is C, Tisch School of the Arts. Which event is a common competitive swimming race in the Olympic Games? Is it A, long-distance cycling, B, high jump, or C, 100-meter freestyle? It is C, 100-meter freestyle. What are biodegradable plastics primarily designed to do? Is it A, increase pollution, B, decompose naturally, or C, enhance durability? It is B, decompose naturally. What luxury item is Hermes most famous for producing? Is it A, handbags, B, shoes, or C, watches? It is A, handbags. What is Melbourne famously known for hosting annually that showcases international films? Is it A, book fair, B, fashion week, or C, film festival? It is C, film festival. What is the capital city of the Yukon Territory in Canada? Is it A, Vancouver, B, Yellowknife, or C, Whitehorse? It is C, Whitehorse. What is the primary feature of the Namib Desert known for its high sand dunes? Is it A, Atacama, B, Kalahari, or C, Sossusvlei? It is C, Sossusvlei. What is the central belief of agnosticism regarding the existence of God? Is it A, the existence of God is unknown, B, God does not exist, or C, God created the universe? It is A, the existence of God is unknown. What is Zurich primarily known for in terms of its economy? Is it A, agriculture, B, banking, or C, manufacturing? It is B, banking. What is the primary script used to write the Persian Farsi language? Is it A, Persian script, B, Cyrillic, or C, Latin? It is A, Persian script. What is the primary process by which ecological succession leads to the formation of a stable ecosystem? Is it A, soil erosion, B, plant colonization, or C, animal migration? It is B, plant colonization. What is the primary objective in the sport of fencing? Is it A, reach the end zone, B, break weapons, or C, score points? It is C, score points. What type of institution is the University of Barcelona known for primarily offering? Is it A, primary schooling, B, higher education, or C, vocational training? It is B, higher education. What type of content is primarily featured on The Ben Shapiro Show? Is it A, travel vlogs, B, cooking tutorials, or C, political commentary? It is C, political commentary. What title did Muammar Gaddafi hold during his leadership in Libya? Is it A, Prime Minister, B, President, or C, King? It is A, Prime Minister. What is the speed of electromagnetic radiation in a vacuum? Is it A, 300,000 kilometers per s, B, 150,000 kilometers per s, or C, 450,000 kilometers per s? It is A, 300,000 kilometers per s. What type of art is Damien Hirst best known for? Is it A, conceptual art, B, landscape painting, or C, street art? It is A, conceptual art. Which English king led his troops to victory at the Battle of Agincourt in 1415? Is it A, Edward IV, B, Richard III, or C, Henry V? It is C, Henry V. What is the primary use of fluorite in industrial applications? Is it A, fluoride production, B, jewel making, or C, food preservation? It is A, fluoride production. What is the primary historical achievement of the Armenian people in terms of early Christian history? Is it A, ancient Silk Road, B, first Christian nation, or C, Renaissance art? It is B, first Christian nation. Which video game franchise follows the story of Geralt of Rivia? Is it A, Elder Scrolls, B, The Witcher, or C, Dragon Age? It is B, The Witcher. What is the name of the smartphone developed by Apple? Is it A. Pixel, B. Galaxy, or C. iPhone? It is C. iPhone. What does the right to repair movement advocate for regarding consumer electronics? Is it A. Lower prices, B. Extended warranties, or C. Access to repair information? It is C. Access to repair information. What is a primary role of algae in aquatic ecosystems? Is it A. Soil formation, B. Nitrogen fixation, or C. Oxygen production? It is C. Oxygen production. What natural process do some animals use to create protective shells? Is it A. Shell secretion, B. Excretion, or C. Molting? It is A. Shell secretion. What is the primary use of fiber optics in telecommunications? Is it A. Filtering air, B. Storing energy, or C. Transmitting data? It is C. Transmitting data. In which mythology is Ares known as the god of war? Is it A. Norse, B. Greek, or C. Egyptian? It is B. Greek. Which character is known as the leader of the Avengers in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? Is it A. Iron Man, B. Captain America, or C. Thor? It is B. Captain America. Which philosophical work is Voltaire best known for? Is it A. Candide, B. The Republic, or C. The Divine Comedy? It is A. Candide. What is the title of Charles Darwin's famous book that outlines his theory of evolution? Is it A. The Descent of Man, B. On the Origin of Species, or C. The Voyage of the Beagle? It is B. On the Origin of Species. What is the name of the statue that overlooks Rio de Janeiro and is a symbol of Brazil? Is it A. Statue of Liberty, B. The Great Sphinx, or C. Christ the Redeemer? It is C. Christ the Redeemer. What is the capital city of Namibia? Is it A. Gaborone, B. Lusaka, or C. Windhoek? It is C. Windhoek. What traditional Italian meat sauce is commonly served with pasta? Is it A. Bolognese, B. Alfredo, or C. Marinara? It is A. Bolognese. Which television series features a billionaire who becomes a vigilante to fight crime in Star City? Is it A. The Flash, B. Arrow, or C. Gotham? It is B. Arrow. What is the name of the feathered projectile used in badminton? Is it A. Ping pong ball, B. Shuttlecock, or C. Tennis ball? It is B. Shuttlecock. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.